You ever notice how some people walk into a room and instantly get respect without raising their voice, without trying, without doing anything dramatic? And then there are others who get ignored, interrupted, joked about, or treated like their time doesn't matter. Same people, same environment, completely different reactions. That difference isn't luck, it's signals. I know this because I used to be the person people walked over. Conversations got cut off mid-sentence. Plans with me were canceled last minute like it was nothing. Jokes were made at my expense, and I'd laugh along pretending it didn't hurt. But it did. Every time. I felt invisible. Then one small change flipped everything. I didn't become aggressive. I didn't get louder. I didn't change who I was. I just stopped doing one thing, and suddenly people treated me differently. Fast. Here's the truth most people never hear. Disrespect isn't random. It's learned. People treat you based on the signals you send, often without you realizing it. Once those signals stop, behavior around you changes almost immediately. Let's break down 4 behaviors you need to stop if you want respect, starting with the easiest and ending with the most powerful. First, stop reacting emotionally to disrespect. When someone crosses a line, most people either explode or explain themselves. Both give power away. Instead, do this. Acknowledge it calmly. Say something like, "That was disrespectful," and then stop talking. No anger, no defending. Silence does the heavy lifting. It creates discomfort, and discomfort forces correction. People don't expect calm confidence. That's why it works. Second, stop being instantly available. If you respond to everything immediately, people learn your time has no value. Respect follows scarcity. You don't need to play games. Just don't treat every message like an emergency. Answer when it works for you. Say, "I'll get back to you," instead of "yes" right away. When people feel they have to wait for you, they start valuing your time and you. Third, stop tolerating bad treatment. Silence teaches people what you'll accept. If someone cancels on you repeatedly, takes credit for your work, or makes disrespectful comments, address it in the moment. Calm, direct, clear, not later, not in your head. Right then. Boundaries don't create problems. Avoiding them does. Fourth, and this is the big one, stop trying to prove yourself. The more you explain your worth, the more people question it. Confident people don't over-defend. They don't list achievements. They don't argue their value. They assume respect and let others catch up. A simple, "I'm comfortable with my decision," is more powerful than 10 minutes of justification. Here's the key idea tying all of this together. You don't gain respect by adding something new. You gain it by removing habits that signal weakness. Stop overreacting. Stop overgiving. Stop over-tolerating. Stop over-explaining. What's left is the version of you people naturally respect. Start small. Pick just one of these and use it today, once, then again tomorrow. In a few weeks it becomes natural, and the way people treat you shifts permanently. You don't need permission to be respected. You already deserve it.